What is Docker Compose? Docker Compose is a way to build a container instance or container instances using a single file. With Docker Compose, you can configure your container, its bind, mount, and other options in one place. And you can go back and make changes and update your container images using that same file. A Docker Compose file can be used to define your container or multiple containers all at once, and can be used to create entire stacks of containers that might be necessary for you to start complicated services. I have one for Graylog here, and as you can see, I passed through my config options, different ports, and spun up 3 containers to get this server running. And it's very useful because I've basically turned my architecture into code. If I need to make changes to this Graylog setup, maybe I need to change something about the DB, I just have to make the change in this one file and restart the container, and that's it. It's done, right? So I can have all my config options in one place, all my management options in one place, all my networking options in one place. It helps simplifies complicated setups. Basically, it makes management easier, and I like it so far compared to my previous setup with LXCs and virtual machines, where I kind of have to go into the virtual machine or the container, change the config option, restart the service. Here I can change all the config options and restart all the services all at once. I've been using Docker and Docker Compose to migrate my services from virtual machines to Docker containers, mostly because of this ease of management. And the cool thing about Docker Compose is you can go online and there's generally a Docker Compose that'll get you about 80 or 90% of the way to where you need to get for you to get a service running. And then you just got to make a couple tweaks and bada boom, bada bing, you got a service up and running in your environment. It's very convenient. I was living in caveman days. If you like this content, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. We're going to be going over more Docker Compose, like how to actually use your file and how to build your first one over the next couple videos. So stay tuned if you want to see that kind of stuff. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.